Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the protection history in Microsoft Security Windows Defender in the Windows 11 operating system. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up File Explorer. So go ahead and select the File Explorer icon down in your taskbar. You can also search for it too. And you want to go select this PC on the left side. Double click on your local disk where Windows is installed. You can see a little Windows icon above the hard drive. Go ahead and double click on it. You want to locate a program data folder. If you don't see one, you're going to have to enable hidden folder view. So select the view tab up at the top and then checkmark hidden items. And now double click on the program data folder. Same thing for Microsoft now. Now go down to Windows Defender and double click on it. Locate the scans folder, double click on that one as well. Select continue if you need permissions in order to access that. And then there should be a history folder, double click on that. And then finally there should be a service folder, double click on it. Anything in here you want to go ahead and just highlight over and delete. And then once you're done, restart your computer and that should be it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.